All right, good morning, my Facebook friends around the world. Miss Sunshine coming to you live right here. And we got another machine. This just came all the way from Canada. That's right. This one just came from Canada, from my dear friend Darren. And Darren in Ontario, Canada, we made a deal. And Mr. Sunshine bought his machine that he had that he wasn't using. So finally it just arrived. So we're going to take a look and see what we got going on here. As we unbox, take a look at this. Oh boy, get a load of this, baby. This is what's going on here in South Florida. Beautiful. We got the milder back here. We've got the machine, and boy, that thing looks heavy. It is heavy. It's about 65, 70 pounds. It boxed it up real nice, that's for sure. Come all the way from Canada down here to the United States of America, to South Florida. Baby out of here. There it is. Got a little bent action going on here, which we'll have to get that fixed. Oh, Jesus Christ. And there we have it. Beautiful. So we got our machine here. Here's the cord. We got to fix the motor and the belt, which that is no problem. I'm going to get a new belt for that. But other than that, there you have it. There we go. Everything looks good, locks in, nice plates, guides move. So we're going to be taking this all apart like we did the other ones, and we're going to polish them all up. So what this looks like right here, that's the Keil machine. We're actually going to make it look as shiny as this here. We have 1, 2, and the third one. So we hit the trifecta here on these machines. This has the side miller cutters. That one has the side milling cutter as well, and we'll get them all done. So there you have it, 3 machines, and this one has the side milling cutter.